In this video, you'll learn how to clean up and organize your POS menus using sections, folders, and tile layout tools, so staff can serve guests faster and with fewer errors. Imagine you're using a cafe POS where all the food and beverage products have been added into one menu. With so many items on screen, you spend more time searching for the right product, keeping your guests waiting longer. Now compare that with a well-structured menu. Clear sections, related products grouped together, and minimal scrolling make it much easier for you to quickly find what you need. Let's look at how we can turn this messy menu into something that speeds up service. In Venue Manager, select Apps, Point of Sale, Templates. Select the Cafe template, and then select Unlock to edit. Let's review the drinks menu. Menus are made up of sections, and each section can contain product tiles, like tickets or food and beverage items. To reduce the clutter, we'll start by adding more sections to group similar products together. First, rename the default untitled section so it's easier to manage. Select the pencil icon. Enter a name like Cold Drinks, then select Done. Next, select Add Section. Give it a name like Hot Drinks, and select Create Section. Now that you've created your sections, let's move the products into the right ones. Products can only appear once on a POS menu, so before we can add items like coffee or tea to the hot drinks section, we first need to remove them from cold drinks. In the cold drinks section, select Select Products, remove the tag, or uncheck the items you want to move, like tea or coffee, and select Done. Then in the hot drinks section, select Select Products, filter by tag, or search for the items you removed, and select Done. Next, let's look at creating folders to reduce scrolling. Some sections, like cold drinks, can get crowded with too many similar products. Scrolling through a long list takes extra time and slows down staff during service. Folders help by grouping related stock products into one expandable tile. Instead of 10 soda tiles taking up space, you get a single soda folder staff can tap to reveal all options. First, remove the soda products from the section. Select Select Products, remove the soda tag, or uncheck the individual soda items, and select Done. Then select Add Folder. Name it Soda. Choose a tile color, and use the tag method to add all soda products into the folder. Select Add Folder, then save the changes to see the result. In POS, staff will now see a single soda folder instead of a long list of individual tiles. Folders group stock items like drinks or food. They don't work for products like tickets or memberships. Those need their own tile. Now that your products are grouped, let's see how we can enhance the layout for better visibility and faster navigation. Select the pencil icon to edit a section, then open the Tile Arrangement drop-down menu. Choose how products are displayed, for example, in rows, in columns, or select Wrap Tiles to reduce scrolling and fill unused space. Let's switch to the Hot Food menu to show some visual design tips. To edit a tile, select the pencil icon on the tile. Use color coding to visually group categories, for example, yellow for burgers and red for hot dogs. This creates a visual map that helps staff quickly identify product types during busy shifts. If an image was added when the stock item was created, you can display it by selecting the Use Image checkbox. Images help staff quickly identify products, but they won't appear if Compact View has been enabled. Select Update Style to all variants to apply the style changes to all the hamburger products at once. Keep in mind, when using an image, the subheading, which usually shows the product variation, such as cheeseburger, will be hidden. To fix this, edit the tile and copy the ticket or variation name into the tile label field, then select Apply. The tile label will replace the product name, making it easier to identify each product. Repeat the process for the other tiles. When you're done, select Save to save the changes to your templates and refresh your POS. With a clearer menu layout, your team can find products faster, reducing friction and improving the guest experience. You've now learned how to create sections in your POS menu, use folders to group stock products, and optimize tile layout using colors, labels, and tile arrangement.